Gates open, that up and racing as expected. Speedmaker draws for your lead. Moscow Ballet moving up to take second, running by the rail third. State Witness, then moving up to take fourth from the outside. So it's you. Next in line, Firm Grip by the rail. Mega Red, Unchanging Warrior. While Emergency Call is now running at the tail of the field, past the half-mile pole with his Speedmaker. Wing Command by about 3 lengths. Running in second, State Witness. Moving up on the outside and catching the second spot is Moscow Ballet as they race towards the last 450. Is Speedmaker just in front. Moscow Ballet, the favorite now, moving up on the outside to grab the lead as they turn for home. Moscow Ballet, Speedmaker by the rail. Is State Witness in between runners. So it's you, Firm Grip, Unchanging Warrior. And down the stretch they come. Moscow Ballet, this time by about 3 lengths, is State Witness. Moving up to take second from the outside, Firm Grip with 75 meters. Second win for today for Jackie Jep Sarete, this time on Moscow Ballet. Firm Grip, then comes State Witness. So it's you and Speedmaker.
Okay,